Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to study a little bit of biology from evolution. Today we will try to cover the origin of Earth and some of the theories of origin of life. Let us start with origin of Earth. It is believed that Earth originated 4.5 billion years ago. In the Earth, it was considered that inside the Earth, the temperature was very high. And at the surface, temperature was low. The atmosphere of Earth had certain features. The primitive atmosphere of Earth was like it was reducing in nature. Which means that it lacked oxygen. There is absence of oxygen. In a primitive atmosphere, it was reducing in nature, that is, there was absence of oxygen. And also, there was no ozone layer. Temperature was very high. And there was no atmosphere. So this way our Earth originated. Earth originated 4.5 billion years ago. During that time, the temperature inside Earth was very high and at the surface was low. It was believed that the Earth's surface was covered by molten mass. There were certain characteristics of the primitive atmosphere of Earth. Basically, there was no particular atmosphere, but it was reducing in nature. That means there was absence of oxygen. And also, there was no ozone layer and the temperature was also very high. Then, slowly, water vapor started to condense. Slowly, water vapor condensed. It formed clouds. And so, rainfall occurred. For several years, rainfall occurred and the temperature of Earth lowered. Due to this rainfall, the depression and pits on the Earth got filled with water. And these depressions and pits which got filled with water are now in the present day known as oceans. Are the present day oceans. These pits are the present day oceans. So this was all about the origin of Earth and how its temperature lowered and slowly the formation of oceans. The first non-cellular form of life appeared 3 billion years ago and the first cellular form of life appeared 2 billion years ago. Now, let us see some of the theories of origin of life. Basically, there are total 6 theories for the origin of life. Starting with the first one, theory of special creation. Theory of special creation said that there is a supernatural power which has created the whole universe. Basically, this theory was given by Father Suarez. He said that life was created in 6 days. He also believed that Earth is just 4,000 years old. He believed that Earth is just 4,000 years old. Not only this, but he said that the biodiversity and the life as we can see today was created as such and will remain as it is in the near upcoming future. The life and biodiversity will remain as it is and was created in the same way as it exists and was created in the same way as it exists today. So this is our first theory, the theory of special creation, which believed that there was a supernatural power. This was given by Father Suarez. He believed that life was created in 6 days. He said that Earth is just 4,000 years old. The life and biodiversity we see today was created in the same way and will remain the same way as it is. Now, moving on to the next theory. The theory of catastrophism. The second theory is theory of catastrophism. Now, this theory said that there was a natural disaster and due to that natural disaster, the life disappeared and then a new life reappeared. This theory says that there was a natural disaster due to which life disappeared and then reappeared. So this was just the theory of catastrophism. The third theory is extraterrestrial theory, the theory of panspermia or cosmozoic theory. That theory believed that life came on the earth from other planet in the form of spores or seeds. So the third theory is extraterrestrial theory cosmozoic theory or theory of panspermia. Now, this theory said that life came on the earth from other planet. In the form of spores or seed. In the form of spores or seeds. So, this was the extraterrestrial theory or cosmozoic theory, also known as the theory of panspermia, which believed that life came on the earth from any other planet in the form of spores or seeds.